What's up with y'all? Welcome to the channel. I take y'all with me on my wave journey. I mean, let y'all see the ups and the downs, the wolves, the crispy cuts, the fades, all that. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like. We gonna keep this pushing. I'm gonna try to make sure I do 2, maybe 3 uploads a week. Try to keep y'all up informed on what's going on with the dippers. But yo, let's get right into it.
You had to part ways. I drove on my dog stage. I bought the shit down at the bug play.
So today I went and picked up some more Durags. I think my collection up to probably like 8. And I got a bunch of like stocking caps I use for compression, and then a couple other little nylon joints for the shower. Cause I like learned from a couple other waivers that, like, you know what I'm saying, having different Durags for like shower time and sweat, like when you sweat and working out and all that shit, do make a difference, yo. This brand is all backwards and shit. It says it fits most heads. So if you got one of them, nigga, if you got that head right now, just click off the video. You need to go to a tailor, get your own Durag made. Your head is ginormous, nigga. Let's take this one out. I tried this brand before. I just didn't like I got the gold one. I don't know if y'all can see like that. I got a gold one. And like, this part of it right here. Focus. But it's like little metallic flakes. Cause I put it inside out cause the seam is on the silky part. That's the only thing I think they messed up on. This Durag right here in particular, you still got the long straps though. The straps is pretty long, yo. And it is wide. I give y'all that. Do like this silk fabric on the inside. What I'm using this for is basically like once I put on the velvet joint, cause I like how the velvet like grabs my hair and like compresses it already by itself. So I'm gonna put the velvet on, with some of y'all call it a boo-boo cap or whatever. I got one of them joints right here. Smack this on for a little more compression over top of that, so I won't have to deal with all the strings, you know what I mean? And then go ahead and put that metallic joint over top of it. I don't know if y'all can rock with that, but this is a different brand right here. This is the Red by Kiss. The Bow Wow. It's supposed to have the ultimate compression for 360 waves. Ultimate compression. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. I need that. You see what I'm saying? So, and this one is blue. I got a black one already. It's gonna be my second velvet. Oh yeah, I like this already. I like Magic Collection, but red is definitely. I got a Silky by Red. It's a different kind of blue too. It ain't. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but this is like. It looked like it was gonna be like dark blue or baby blue, but it's like a aqua. And then look at the inside, yo. Like, it's way different from my other one. My other one was like. I don't want to say it was cotton, and I don't know, but it wasn't like this. You feel me? I rock with that for sure. Definitely do. I'm gonna be going with that red brand a little bit more. They got some more colors. I was gonna get the pink one. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all rock with the pink joints, but I fucks with the pink velvet shit from the 90s era, early 90s baby right here. So. For my niggas that can relate, I know y'all remember them velvet joints. Velvet Fat Farm and Pelly Pale and all that one shit. This is my brush that I use every day, 24/7 all the time. I can't really... It's a Walmart brush. I don't know. I just fell in love with this brush because of the texture. And I got coarse hair, and I know once it get like trained and in a groove, I need something like that's medium. But like when my hair acting up, cause everybody got them days when your hair be acting up, I use this bad boy right here. He ain't all the way hard, but he like right there. Like he ain't all the way stiff. This one look, and then this one is like, so it's like mid grade, high mid grade. You know what I mean? Yeah, we about to just get on into this. I just be following the pattern. I be trying not to get stuck on one side, cause I get a habit of getting stuck on my right side. So lately I've been trying to start off on the left. Just, you know what I'm saying? And I do get the crown, I just use this part of my brush to smack the crown cause it's too wide. I'm saying my girl hate that shit. Be sitting there saying that shit all day. And once you get your pattern in and get your routine on how you brushing your hair and find the right products, it becomes 100% easier, man. Oh yeah, I like how that feels already. It definitely stretches though, like, you know, some velvet durags you get ain't got no give for it. You be scared you gonna rip them and shit. Yo, and when I say this strap is perfect, man, this strap is perfect, bro. Like, I ain't struggling, man. One thing I can tell you right now that I had to learn about trying to wear these multiple durags is you gotta definitely you gotta definitely remember not to tie them so tight because you're wearing multiple, bro. Like one night I put some on and I swear y'all, I pulled the straps too tight. I think like way too tight. And bro, long story short, headache was killer. A lot of y'all may think I'm tripping wearing all these durags, but yo, you get the result. Alright, so a lot of y'all be worried about this part of the durag now. Boom. May look kind of weird, whatever, but that's for like if you're in the house chilling. Obviously, it's other ways to time. Probably gonna leave these on for like 2-3 hours. My brush sessions normally be like anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and a half. Make sure y'all start getting some some type of conditioner that you can leave in, especially for your beard, or you know, Even for your hair, especially too, because you gotta remember you is putting a lot of compression on it and a lot of brushing. Alright, holla at me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Deuces.
Shit, me gunna and weasel, that's a three-headed snake. I bought me the beans, it came with a shake. I fuck on your friends, I fuck on your bait. Every time I pretend, it come with a bait.